It's Rhonda King outside of our entrance at Earthworks, where our new water feature is being installed. You can see that progress is being made. We're super proud of our relationship with Aquascape, and you can see the products that are being featured here at our entrance. We've got some urns and some spillways and some stack slate walls here, along with some beautiful pieces of rock. Some of the rock has beautiful character with some lovely moss on it. So we're really excited about the progress. If you haven't seen our entrance lately, come and check us out. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Lovely rocks. Last spring, we acquired new neighbors.
If I had you by my side day and night.
Paparazzi! All right. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
The apartment complex Volaris went in right next door. We're excited about the improvements that we've been able to implement here at Earthworks because of our new neighbors. You'll notice our parking lot is larger, and there's a larger selection of all plant material, especially houseplants, for you and our new neighbors. The apartment complex Volaris, as well as Earthworks, are conveniently located here at Beach Blvd. We have 2 entrances off of Kernan and Beach Blvd, and we're located really close to JTB. Late last week, beautiful glass doors were installed at the Garden Center. Not only do the glass doors make it easier for our customers to come in and out of the building with their shopping carts, it also provides a great view for us inside so that we can see the customers that are outside, so we can run out and give you some great customer service. Earthworks is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. We're here from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Sundays. We're at 12501 Beach Blvd at the corner of Kernan and Beach. We're right next to Volaris Apartments.